Welcome to the Marty South YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use our platform to build a website for your chimney sweep service. Now, if you just randomly stumbled across this video today and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty South platform as yet, Marty South is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than a minute. It's super affordable, only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you join the platform, first thing it's going to do at the top is ask you to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with different side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, Chimney Sweep. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell Monty's has a few basic details about our chimney sweep service so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, Rochelle's Chimney Sweep Services, as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue and let multi-site work its magic. And look at that, Marty's House has literally generated a simple website for my chimney sweep service in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of all the different projects you've completed or yourself in action working on the job, and you want to make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written for you, you can do that. So that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to be making my way through each section from the top to the bottom, giving you a little bit of a look and feel of how this platform works. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. So let me head to the top and let's get cracking. Awesome. The first thing I'm going to do is click on update section at the top, and I'm going to go ahead and put in my email address over here. I want to make sure my email address is displayed on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and click on show email and sites over here. And I'm now going to go ahead and pop in my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. Let's go ahead and put in our street address over here, as well as our postal code, and save. Our location is displayed in the top left-hand corner, and the great thing about it is when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location if you have one, that is. Let's head over to update social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms that your business is active on. The icons will be displayed in the top next to that email address as well as the bottom. So your customers can easily give you a follow, see what you're up to, and get some engagement going. Awesome. Let's move along. We're making such fantastic progress. I'm now going to head over to update logo. Now, if you're in the startup process of your business and you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your business name here and it still looks really great and professional. However, I do have a logo for my business, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload it. Now, if you don't have a logo yet and you really want one, but you don't have a huge budget set aside for a graphic designer, I do recommend that you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options on the website. My logo has been uploaded, but I want to make a little bit of amendments to it. So I'm going to click on this pencil over here and I'm slightly going to crop it so it fits better in that section. You can as well filter it, you can crop it, you can flip it horizontally or rotate it or zoom in, decorate it, add a frame. So I'm going to go ahead and click done and I'm going to wait for that to upload because I've just made an adjustment to it. I'm now going to click on save Logo has now been updated, and I can make it bigger and smaller, but that sizing is absolutely perfect for me, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it as is. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout the website for you as well. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your chimney sweeping business. Perhaps these colors don't quite go with your branding, your logo, your message. You want to have a completely different color to this one over here. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available for you. We are adding more color palettes every single week as well. Let's see what else is available. But I want something pretty neutral for this one. So I'm actually going to go ahead and select that. That looks really great. Very happy with it. I'm now going to head over to the next section and head over to update image. Now, if you've got your own images, browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from, and they're all completely free to use. Now, Mighty Sites will automatically search for chimney sweep. However, I'm going to go ahead and just search for chimney. You can play around with the terms a little bit till a suitable image comes up if you don't have your own. Great, lots of suitable images here. So I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to choose that one I've already got. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one for now. I can change it at a later stage. Great, let's select our photo. Make sure it's saved. Awesome, and move on to update content. Now over here we can change the title and subtitles to suit our business needs. Button doesn't have to say get free estimate, but I am quite happy with the terms for my button for here, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it. We can link to the lead form at the bottom when customers click on that button, which I'm going to get to in just a second, take you to that lead form. You can link to another website. Perhaps you take calendar bookings and you have a third-party calendar booking website. You could put the URL here. Otherwise, you can link to an action like click to call directions or click to email. So I'm going to link to click to email for this one. And you can as well upload a PDF file, which is one of my favorite options for the buttons. Maybe you have a catalog or your different rates and services you offer in PDF format. Upload it there so when your customers click on the button, automatically take them to the PDF file. Excellent. Over here again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section and make your amendments where you need to. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, how you got into this industry. Are you licensed, insured? Go ahead and put a little bit of a background of your story, where it began and your business. Do you offer free estimates? Do you offer competitive pricing and flexible scheduling to accommodate customers' budgets and needs? Go ahead and pop all those details over there. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details, the different services you offer. Maybe you don't only offer chimney sweeps, maybe you offer installation services of fireplaces and new chimneys. Do you also offer maintenance and repair services of the fireplaces and chimneys? How many satisfied homeowners do you have? Go ahead and pop all the details over here so your customers know what they can call your business for, what services you can offer them. We've now made our way into the last section, that lead form, which I've just told you about. Over here, your customers can put in their details, their message, click on send. You will get notified you have a lead via this form, via your email address that you signed up for your Mighty Sites website. You'll also find all the leads over in the site dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Let's just take one last look at our Mighty Sites website for our chimney sweep service. It literally didn't even take us 10 minutes to put this website together, change some images, change the colors. It really was such a breeze. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. Great thing about the Mighty Sites free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on the link below this video and give the free trial a go. Now, if you have a custom domain, click on connect your domain and say, I already have a domain. Go through the various steps in linking it. If you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.mightysites.com. Head on over to the blog. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Lots of valuable information here for marketing, so do check it out. If you don't have a domain yet, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. We've recently introduced the feature. You can also find the leads via that form, which I've just shown you on the previous page, on your Mighty dashboard over here by clicking on View Leads. I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your chimney sweep service. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.